Good morning, everybody. KT here, and today what we are going to do is we are actually going to go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm just going to do it right here. I'm not setting up a table or anything crazy like that. I am just really excited. Guys, I've had a drone in the past, but it was like a little itty bitty toy drone that was like about this big, and I used to fly it around the house. It was an indoor drone. It had no camera to it whatsoever, so I'm really excited because I went ahead and made the plunge and decided to go ahead and get a drone. In case you don't know, there is right now, at the time that I'm recording this, I was online and they were saying how the Senate did pass the bill saying that DJI drones will be banned for sales in the United States, and now it's going over to the House. So I don't know what's going to happen. So I kind of thought to myself, I was like, well, you know, if DJI does get banned, then that means drones prices are probably going to go up. So if I'm going to buy, I might as well buy now. I was trying to wait a little bit, you know, because I did just go ahead and get to the Z30. My Nikon Z30, and I'm still working and testing that out and everything else like that. But I was like, you know, go ahead and get the drone before, you know, who knows, you know. So anyways, I went ahead and got a drone. I am not sponsored at all by this brand whatsoever. This is me purchasing out of my own purchasing power here, right, as a consumer. It's called the Potensic, and I hope I'm saying it correctly, the Potensic Atom SE. It is under the 249 gram weight, so therefore it doesn't have to be registered. Every battery seems to get like 31 minutes. So I have 3 batteries here, so I should be able to go up to about 90 minutes or so. It has, it says a PixSync 2.0. Still kind of learning about this stuff, especially when it comes to drone. But it does have a 4K video capacity. And then also too, it is wind resistant. I think when I was online, if I remember correctly, it said something about like wind resistant to like level 5, which I guess apparently is really good. And then something about Opti. I don't know what that means. And then it says something about surge fly, and that looks like wind to me, but I don't know. And if there's anything else that I can kind of think of or whatnot, maybe I'll flash some stuff up on the screen for you guys so that you can know some of the other specs about it. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Let me go ahead and grab a knife. I am not going to grab the biggest knife in the world. And so anyways, I'm gonna fold that up so I don't hurt myself here. All right, so I'm gonna open up this box. It does come with its own little case, and here we go. So it's got a nice little black case. So everything's gonna be all in one go here. All right, so opening it up, it looks like we got some directions here. Fantastic. And then it looks like just a little piece of cardboard. Nobody needs that. All right, and then let's go ahead and up here on the top, it looks like I have some of the wonderful extra propellers, because I kind of figured with me, I might, for some strange odd reason, need propellers. Not that I have a story with an airplane about to hit the neighbor's car, and if it hadn't been for a pole, I might have hit the neighbor's car. But luckily there was a pole there. So we're gonna go, that's why I made sure I got the fly more combo. It's because I wanted to make sure that I had extra propellers in case I hit anything. You know. So anyways, needless to say, it looks like we have all of our wonderful cabling here. It looks like we have the screwdriver with screws, so that way we can work with those propellers. And then it looks like I have some more directions here. All right, so opening up this a little bit more, let's see here. It looks like this is a strap so that you can go ahead and put this on your bag. All right, so it comes with a nice little strap here. All right, looks like we have a remote control, the controller right here. All right, so it opens up. Looks like I got to find the joysticks. They got to be somewhere in here, and I'll have to, those look like, those are just like little screw-ins. Oh, look, they're right here. Found them. Oh my goodness, they're right here. They're so tiny. Okay, there's your little joysticks. So they were right here on the bottom. All right, and then those would just kind of screw right in, maybe. Y'all, I don't have enough lights in here, and my eyes are not what they used to be. There you go. It screws in right there. It looks like you have a couple buttons up here. Buttons here. Looks like a little turnstile. Looks like your on and off button is right here. Okay, so I will have to play with that a little bit later, but at least we figured out where the joystick was, right? All right, so next up, let's see what we got here. This is looking a little bit like the charger. I'm absolutely correct. So I did get the Flymore charger. So each battery is worth about 31 minutes. So here's two here. I'm kind of thinking the third battery is probably already on the drone. So let's see what else. Aha. So we also have the plug-in for our charger. So we got all that. Let's go and see what's going on in here. Okay, everything's there. All right, so here is the little drone. All right, so here it is. Apparently it's supposed to be small enough to fit into your pocket. Should I try, guys? Okay, so here we go. We're gonna see if this fits into my pocket. Y'all, like I really need one more thing to fit in my pocket. But there you go, it fits in your pocket. That's what it's supposed to be made for. There you go. Just be careful. Just be careful when you're pulling it out, because like I almost already broke one of the propellers. And you know, that's why they probably gave me extra, because they were like, this girl is gonna mess it up. And you know what? I'm gonna fix this camera so that we're back at a regular level here. All right, that is much better, because my body just does not work and bend that way. But anyways, guys, here is this cute little drone. Like I said, guys, I had a baby drone that had no camera on it. It was like literally like this tiny. It was like a size of a little silver dollar. So I'm excited to have a drone that has like a real camera on it, right? I've tried like, I remember I once had a helicopter with a video camera on it. I could not fly that thing. So I'm excited to finally have a drone. So it goes ahead, and we're gonna go ahead and pull out all these little propeller things. It looks like it has like little feet on it, so that way it sits on that. It looks like they kind of have like something here kind of protecting it. I'm probably gonna have to remove that here in a little bit. And like I said, it fits in your pocket. So I am gonna go ahead and play with this for a little bit, and then I will give you guys a review. But you know, honestly, I'm not gonna be able to really compare it to any other drones, because I haven't had a drone with a 4K camera before, so I won't be able to tell you what's better or whatever. All I can do is show you guys what I get, and we can make a decision from there whether or not you like the quality or not. Like I said, I am not being sponsored by this. This is something that I've wanted for years, and finally decided to make the plunge, because I was afraid that there would be a spike in pricing if DJI goes off the market. How will that affect the pricing and stuff like that? So that wonderful thing called supply and demand. So that's why I went ahead and took the plunge. And also too, I just really wanted to get really cool footage. But anyways, if you guys thought that this unboxing was cool, please make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about photography and go on fun-filled adventures, we will. My health is getting better every single day, so we will start to go on those fun-filled adventures. I promise you guys, we will do that. But if you want to learn about nature photography, go on fun-filled adventures. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell, so that way you don't miss any other future episodes. If there is something that you want to learn in regards to photography, please tell me, what would you like to learn about? Drop that in the comment section below, so that way I can go ahead and look at it and make a video for you guys. All right, remember that you are awesome. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you later, alligator.